we're going to have to loosen the clutch cable. So take your, these two, okay, I kind of hate these things. There. Take that clip off. There's one down here. Just slide the whole thing up. And from there, you can take these little two rubber red tabs that right there, and push that thing out a little bit. And that should allow your clutch cable to move nice and free. Now you can move over to your clutch basket adjuster. Yes, okay, so you're gonna take your 11/16 wrench. You're gonna take your 7/32 Allen wrench. Gonna hold this Allen wrench assembly in place. Break that jam nut free. Spin the jam nut out. Take your 7/32 Allen wrench. Run this all the way in until it stops. Not even until it stops. So with a very light touch, like I can feel right there, it's making contact. If I were to hang the Allen wrench on it, it only really goes to right about there. Now I can go more, and it starts going in. But what's happening there is I'm actually opening the clutch up. So run this thing in until you feel that contact. So we're going to run it all the way in a little bit, make sure she seats. And run it back out. Now run in just until you feel that light stop. Whoops. Just until you feel that light stop right there. Do it a couple times, you'll feel it. Okay, so what you have now done is you have ran this adjuster into the rod that actually, pushes the clutch open from your clutch cable on the other side. So in theory, you're at full contact, but you need to leave a little bit of room for expansion, and you want to make sure that whole system is relaxed a little bit. That way the clutch springs are doing their thing. So once you get it to make contact, back it off. Not even a quarter turn, like right about there. Like an eighth of a turn. Grab your 11/16 wrench, and while you're holding this in, and you can test it again, make sure you're not fighting against the nut there. Boop, contact, backed off to there. So we're gonna hold that Allen wrench in place, then we're gonna lock this jam nut down. There, good and tight. Now, to be sure it's all working, now push this in and out a couple times, make sure it's seated in place. Then press your red plunger in there. It should be all locked in place. Now push your clutch lever in and out a couple times. You see the clutch cycling there? It's all good. Now you can slide your cover back down over top your clutch here. And then find those two little clips that went up here and reinstall them.